Enjoy your stay in London. I'm your host Dennis from The Best View in London. By the way, my co-host created this amazing title. I'm in Woodbury Wetlands, a natural reserve, wildlife reserve, opened by Sir David Attenborough from the BBC Planet Earth. This month I might become a super host, and I need to get 5-star ranking, so please be generous. If you have any suggestions, just message me about it. And I started Airbnb in 2012 when I learned about sharing economy, and now, because I live in such a great building, we have a research from the London School of Economics ongoing and research from the Leeds Beckett University. So welcome!